So this is a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1-ton Duramax that we purchased from a customer through our MTH We Buy program. And it's got this horrendous lime green hand brush painted. You can see it's not sprayed on or vinyl on all the trim pieces. And even though some of you may like this, it's just not gonna fly for what we do here at MTH. We need to make it look a little bit better. So we've been working day in, day out, scraping, stripping, trying to get this lime green off of this truck any way we can. We're finally making some progress. It is gonna take a little while, but mark our words, we are gonna make this thing look good. We're gonna make it look great, actually. This is gonna be a Granite Rock Edition truck. We're gonna give this thing a full-on makeover. And it's gonna look stellar when it's done. I mean, it's a brand new truck. We were able to look past the lime green trim when we purchased the truck from the customer and kind of see it for its true value. Obviously knowing it was gonna require a little bit of work, but we're not afraid of work. So we took this truck in, giving it a little bit of TLC, and it's finally coming together. Inside, it's a brand new 2020 Chevy. It's a lot of truck. It's only got 21,000 miles. Why somebody would take a brand new 2020 Duramax and a hand paint brush and go to town, I'm not sure. But all I know is it's gonna turn out pretty sick. These were also green. What else was green on this thing? All of the trim was green. You can see the fender flares, bumpers, Duramax badges up there, the grill. This must have took this guy quite a bit of time, not gonna lie. It's something. It's definitely a work art. But when this thing is done, you guys are gonna be like, holy crap, I can't believe that's the same truck. The green does make it pop, but I think we're gonna make it pop more. So just keep your eyes peeled. This truck is gonna be ready and gonna be for sale soon on our website at yourmth.com. When it's ready, please expect it in probably a couple weeks at the minimum. This takes quite a while. As you see, this one bumper, front and back actually, probably it's taken a week. You know, obviously mixed it in with other jobs, but it's pretty tedious. Thanks for watching, guys.
Damn, is that yours?
What's that?
Is this yours?
No, this is one of our new GRE builds.
Thing is sick.
Thanks, bro. All right, guys, the wait is finally up. The truck is done. I know it was only a couple minutes for y'all, but for us, it took about a month. Actually, exactly a month. That last video you watched was exactly 1 month ago today that we were scraping the paint off of this truck, and it was a lot bigger project than we thought. It took forever. You saw it, it was nasty. There was green everywhere. We did a lot of work too. We added some accessories to it, and I'm super excited to show you guys. It's probably one of my favorite builds, and it turned out sweet. So without further ado, here we go. Boom, look at that thing. This thing is hot. You guys obviously know what it's looked like before. It was nasty. There was green everywhere. We had to hand scrape and strip all the green off of there, off of here, off of here, off of here. There was green vinyl wrap on the window trim. The flares were green. The back bumper was green. You get the point. There was missing a tailgate. You guys get the point. This truck was a lot of work for us, but man, oh man, did it turn out good. I am really excited with how it turned out. Like, I'm not even just trying to hype it up. It's looking good. It's looking really good. We put a 6-inch SuperLift lift kit in it. So now it's got this, it's got a lot more aggressive a stance. We got 22-inch fuel wheels, 35-inch fuel gripper MT tires. We put these HDX running boards on. Granite Rock Edition decals and appearance package. Fender flares, the pocket style flares. What else did we do? Tailgate, obviously. That's not part of our GRE package, but we put the LoPro tonneau cover on. What else do we got here? I believe window flares, unless this one had it already. Other than that, the windows are still to be tinted. I think early next week they will be done. But for the most part, this truck is done and it is hot. Guys, so that's kind of what our Granite Rock Editions are. What I just ran through between the lift and suspension components. This is a GRE Omega, as you can see up here on the hood. And that would include your full 6-inch lift, your 20 or 22-inch wheels, usually a 35 or a 37-inch tire, running boards, tonneau cover, flares. I think that's pretty much it. I'll put a list in the description for all of the accessories we used on this truck and everything else that went into it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm really excited, really happy for this truck. It looks so much better. The before picture on this truck was just, I don't know, it just makes me kind of cringe thinking of who would take a paintbrush and, you know, paint it on like that. If the previous owner's watching, you know, no hard feelings, but I think it looks a little bit better now. So like I said, thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more build videos like this and other types of videos that we'll be making in the future. And if you want to get yourself into a GRE, go to greoffroad.com, find our full inventory of 500 plus vehicles for sale at yourmth.com. And that's about it. Peace.